See here, unfortunately, some seagulls have attacked it. There we got the damage. And equally, got things here especially suffered from being left here in the sun for the whole COVID period. It's like the lacquer's coming off. There's these cracks underneath. There's a few other points here, so there's another little crack around here. This bit here is going the same way. Lacquer will come off here too, look. What's going on around here? It's definitely related to the sun, because we go around the other side, which wasn't parked against the sun. There's practically nothing. There's a few other cracks that have appeared in the bodywork here, if you can see that. But it hasn't all flaked off.